Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to tell you from the initial how to process advance from customer query entry by using this screen, advance from customer inquiry. The purpose of this program is for matchmaking the deposit detail and invoice detail in order to moving the process into clearing the advance payment. This program is for clearing the advance payment from your customer. Before we explore more about advance from customer inquiry entry, let me give you some brief overview. Deposit detail datasheet and invoice detail datasheet are the result from inquiry condition and will give you the detail related to the title column. The existence of the screen also to let you know how much deposit in certain month, how many customer in certain month, and how many substitution complete and incomplete in certain month, and many more. To start using this program, please take a look at these first steps. Go to Advanced from Customer Inquiry. Choose the inquiry condition as you need. Then click Inquiry. Select the deposit detail and select invoice number. And then click Advanced from Customer Clearing in toolbar. The second step are for opening Advanced from Customer Clearing entry. Advanced from Customer Clearing entry, it was directed from the previous screen. Because it was directed from the previous screen, you don't have to fill out some condition. Look at repay amount this time at the second table and see the difference here. To clearing this amount, you have to enter as much as the deposit amount to make difference become 0. Before that, I will test the system by entering the clearing amount different than deposit amount. This dialog box appears because you didn't enter the clearing amount as much as the deposit amount. The system is not going to save the comment. So you have to enter 20 million here. Repay amount in local currency this time will be filled out automatically by the system. And then, see the difference become 0. Click Save. Click Journal Entry. Check it again. And save it. So that's the final of Advance from Customer Clearing entry. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.